Today we are on the part 3 of our Amazon affiliate marketing website. So today's topic is how to create an Amazon affiliate marketing website. See, for creating these websites, we have two types of method. One is how to create from a free resources. Another one, how to create using a paid plugin and paid theme. So for this purpose, for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the free resources, but I will also give you a small introduction about how you can do with the paid plugin and paid themes. So in our last class, I told you to purchase. We have purchased the domain and we have purchased the hosting. And I have introduced the best and the low cost hosting web hosting platform where you can buy. If you have not watched, please go and watch that part 2, and you can buy the domain and hosting from my affiliate link, which is given in the description box. So without delay, we will get started. So this is the Hostinger platform. This is the provider. So this is the home page of the Hostinger provider. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the Hostinger. This is the H panel. Then these are the domains which I have. So what you have to do, go to this website. So in which our website you want to install the WordPress, click on that. So today I'm going to install in this go tutorialeveryday.com. So I'm going to click on manage. So here go to website. Under this auto installer is there. Click on that. So this is the auto installer. Now you have to click on the WordPress. See, if it is a e-commerce website, WooCommerce is there. Similarly, we have lot of applications, but we are going to create our website using a WordPress. So I'm going to click on a WordPress. Now we are going to install the WordPress. You have to check one thing. The WordPress should be our latest version. Here, if you want, you can give a website title, but I'm not going to give it here. I'm going to skip it. Next one, if you want, you can, this field is required. So you can type it as tutorial site. If you want, we can change it later also. So here the administrator email, the administrator username, and you can give your administrator password. So already I have given a password. See, always you should keep one thing in your mind, that this installation part should be empty. Nothing should be written there, because we want our website to be exactly like this. So don't enter anything and click on the next. These all is required: website title, mail ID, and this username and password you should keep in your mind. And this should be empty. Click on next. So you have to check whether it is the latest version or not. So here it is the latest one. Select the language, and here you can give it as update only to minor version, because uh, if it is a big changes happen, you should do it manually. Don't make it an automatic. So here the minor version is always recommended, and after that you have to click on install. WordPress has been installed. Check whether this is HTTP or HTTPS. Enable this. Then what we are going to do is we are going to open our website. See, click on this. So this is our website. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, now we are going to the dashboard of this. In order to go to the dashboard, see, this is our URL. After this, what you have to do is click on wp/admin. Just type this and click on enter. So it will ask you to enter your username and password, so you can log in. So this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of our gotutorialeveryday.com. Now what we are going to do is go to the screen option and untick this, because we don't want to be our dashboard to be so messy. So just I am doing this. Okay. Next, our dashboard is completely free. See, now we are going to install the plugin which is used to convert our website into an affiliate marketing website. See, then only we will get accepted by Amazon Associate. See, most probably 90% of people will get approved. Suppose if in case you don't get accepted, let me teach you what to do. So before starting with the free resources, I will give you a small introduction about the paid one. So the paid plugin which you need to use is WooCommerce. This is a WooCommerce theme. See, we have a lot of themes which cost around $60, $59, $50. So if you want, you can. If you are really, if you want to start your business online, and if you want to make money, you can go with any of these themes. See, for $29 also we have a theme, so you can use it. This is all a very and had a good future. Then the next plugin what we are going to use is WooCommerce Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin, that is Oozone. So this is also one of the best plugin which you can use in a paid version. So these two plugins will give you a lot of features, but for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to teach you how to create this website completely free. But if you wish, you can buy the premium theme. Here, we are going to build everything for the free. And this free website is completely mobile friendly and desktop friendly also. So now we can go to the dashboard. Now our dashboard look like this. So lot of things are required to get change in this dashboard. First, we have removed everything. For that, we went to screen option and we have untick everything. So these all we have done. First thing, next one is the post. So here a post is used to create a blog section. Here only we are going to create a blog section. Next one is the media. So this media is for adding a image, video files, documents like that. Next one is the pages. So pages are very important. With pages only we are going to create a website. Comment, this section is whatever the comments we get, we can able to approve that or disapprove that. Everything will be shown up here. Next one is the appearance. So this is the column where we are going to customize our website, like designing, everything, editing and all can be done on this section. Next one is a plugin. Plugin means it is nothing but, see, WordPress is a website which need an extra features. So that features can be done, use these plugin. Extra features what our website required can be installed through this plugin only. Next one is a user tool. Here user tool is nothing but who are the user comes, like if I am an admin and if I want to appoint anyone as an editor, everything can be done on this user tools. Is also whatever the tools required for our website is given in this section. Next one is a setting. You can do all the settings of your website from here only. So today we are going to start from here. The first, go to the settings. You're going to see what are the general settings which is required for our Amazon affiliate marketing website. So now what we are going to do is go to settings, go to general. So here the site title is given. So this is what we have given earlier. If you want to change anything, you can change it from here. And here I'm going to give you the tagline. Learn to make money from the internet. Like that I'm going to give you. Next one is a WordPress URL. What you have to do is, initially it would be like HTTP. You have to add it as a S. This is very important. You have to check this also should be yes. Then you have to give your email address. Membership, you can pick it, anyone can register. So you, whoever comes to our website, new to our website, they'll be treated as a subscriber. Here you can select your language, you can select your time zone. Our time zone is Kolkata. I'm from India, so I'm going to select Kolkata. Given. Next, you can select the date format as it required. I'm going to choose the date, month and year. This is more comfortable for me. Then the time format also you can choose. The week starts from Monday, like that you can choose. As per if your week starts from Sunday, you can choose it. That is not that much required. And click on save changes. So after doing this, what we have to do is go to the permalinks. See, this is very important. Make sure it is selected as a post name. Suppose if any other thing is selected, you can make it as a post name. This is very important. If not, you can do the changes and click on the save. So this is a very basic settings of your website. Now we are going to install the theme. In order to install the theme, what we have to do is go to the appearance and click on this theme. The theme is nothing but it is the look of the website. So it is very, very important to select a good theme. So what we are going to do is we are going to open our website in a new tab so we can see what are the changes we are doing. Everything will be updated. Now this is our website. So now this is the installed theme. I'm going to delete the remaining theme which is available. So it may make our website so messy. So now click on this add new. The theme which we are going to use here is the Ocean WP. This is one of the best theme which is having a lot of features. So this is Ocean WP. I'm going to install it. So then activate it. So it will ask you to install some of the themes which is recommended by that plugin, but you don't want to do it. Just delete this. Now we are going to delete this extra theme. So this is the activated theme. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on this auto update here. Enable auto update is there. So click on this. So whatever the theme gets updated, everything will be updated automatically without a notification. Now what we are going to see is, so this is the theme which we had earlier. Now we are going to refresh it. So see here, everything is changed. Now we are going to make this theme as an website for the affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate, not for the affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing. Now we will go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So no theme is, no plugin, nothing is recommended from here. Suppose if the Ocean WP recommends anything, you can delete it. Now we are going to do some of the plugin. Go to the plugins and click on this add new. See, the every plugin, whatever we are going to upload has some specific features. There are tons of plugins are available, but we are going to create an Amazon affiliate website. So we need a different plugin. Whatever the plugin we are going to install today is entirely different with other type of normal website, because these plugins are very much required for the Amazon affiliate website. So now what we are going to do is we are going to install the Elementor. So here type Elementor. So this is the Elementor website builder. Click on install now. Click on activate. See, this Elementor, we have both free version and premium version. So for our this tutorial purpose, we are going to continue with this free version itself. But if you are a person looking for a lot of features, you can go with the premium one. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create an account in Elementor. So click on create account. You can create account with any one of your mail ID. So today I'm going to sign up with my Google. Click on this continue with hello theme. Yes, here the title is given. So click on, if you want to upload a logo here, you can do it, but I will do it later. So I'm going to click on the skip button. So now we are going to do everything from the scratch. So I'm going to click this. Successfully, our Elementor has been updated, has been installed. So when we can go back to our dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Now we can untick this also, Elementor overview, so the dashboard looks good. So now we are going to install the another plugin. So go to plugin, click on add new. Okay. Now we are going to type Ocean WP. So this is the theme we required, Ocean Extra. So installing. Next, Ocean product sharing is very important. So here I'm going to install it. Ocean social sharing, click on install. Ocean custom sidebar, click on install. So at present you don't want to activate any plugin, which we can do later. So next, here come to the search bar, and here you can type Elementor. So under this, what we are going to install is Elementor add-on. See, essential add-on for Elementor. Premium add-ons for Elementor. Click on this. Live mesh add-on for Elementor. Let me check that. Live mesh is not available here. So let me type here. Live mesh. See here, it is available. Live mesh add-on for Elementor. So click on this install. Okay, the next plugin what we required is Smart, S-M-A-R-T, Smart Slide 3. Sorry, Smart Slider. So click on this install. Next thing what we required is the WooCommerce. So this is a very important plugin, WooCommerce. So this is the plugin. Click on install. So now we have installed all the plugin which is required for our website. Now we are going to activate this. Let me wait. It is getting installed. Okay, it's installed. Now we have to go to this install plugin which is on the left side. So go to install plugin. Now all the plugins are activated. Just check once again. Now under this bulk action, what you have to do is, sorry, before that you have to select all the plugins. See here, one tick box is there. You have, if you untick, everything will be unselected. So tick mark this, then go to this bulk action, click on activate, then click on apply. It is deleted. Now we are going to close this. So you have to check whether all the plugins are activated or not. See, it is activated. Here it is activated. Okay, all the plugins has been activated now. So if anything is not activated, you can activate from here. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to make check whether all the plugins are enabled for auto update. So this is all not auto updated. So in order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to select all the plugins, enable auto update, click on apply. So now all the plugins has been auto updated. So whatever, if any major changes or if any small changes comes, the plugins will be updated automatically. So today this is for our third section. So tomorrow I'm going to teach you the next section. Please do subscribe my channel. We are doing a series of Amazon affiliate marketing, and I'm going to teach you the entire process to make money from Amazon affiliate marketing. Do subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of videos what I'm uploading. So I will upload the videos on the daily basis. Thank you for watching.